But motion in vertical cycle. Yes. Oh, before we move to the motion of the vertical circle, please, I forgot. We need to treat time period of revolution. Time period of revolution. Time period of revolution of conical pendulum. So, the time period of revolution of conical pendulum is the time taken by conical pendulum to complete one revolution. The time taken by this conical pendulum to complete one what revolution is called time period of revolution of conical what pendulum. So, and the is known as what T. Let us put the formula for the period of revolution of conical what pendulum. We now say what from tan theta equal to what v square over r g. And we all know that what this sine tan theta is the same thing as what sine theta. Let me say yeah, is it as what sine theta over cos theta v square r what r g. Yes, again, we all know that where what v equal to omega r, this linear velocity because the what omega r, let us put it here. You have sine theta over what cos theta to be equal to what omega r everything square over what r g. So by this sine theta over what cos theta to give us what omega square r square over r g. This will cancel one r here. You have sine theta over what cos theta to give us what omega square r over g. Yes, the next thing we need now is this. This r is radius of pendulum. This is pendulum, abi? This is what pendulum. So distance between this pendulum and this center of the circle is called what? Radius. It's called what? Radius. And by the time we solve this, I said what? This radius there, distance there is what? T sine what? Theta. And T here is tension of the what? Of the string. But this time around here, we don't have interest in tension. Our interest is what? This length of the what? Of the string, which is what? L. The length of the string is what? Is L. And length of the string is what? Is L. And here now, you now change this tension to what? To L. Because the radius here, R is equal to the what? N sine what? Sine theta. So you now say what? This R, where what? R is equal to the what? N sine what? Sine theta. From here. Look before, our interest is on tension, how we use T. But in this R now, we don't have interest in tension, we just the what? Length of the string. How we use what? N. And I remove the what? The T. I put what? N. Substitute for what? For R here now. What we have? We have sine theta equal to the what? Sine theta cos theta equal what? Omega square N sine theta over what? Over G. And again, we can rewrite this expression in this form: sine theta over what? Cos theta should be equal to what? N sine theta over G. Then this omega separately. Again, recall that this omega square equal to the what? 2 pi over t omega under the period of circular motion. Check it, you see it there. So you will now substitute for the what? For the omega here. You will have sine theta over what? Cos theta equal to the what? M sine theta G. What is omega here? 2 pi t squared. Where you will now have what? Sine theta over what? Cos theta equal what? M sine theta G. So this one now to give us what? 4 pi squared t squared. Let us cross what? Multiply. By crossing multiply, we have what? This will go here. We have G. We have T squared G sine what? This will go here. Sine theta. And this one will come here. You now have what? Equal to what? N sine theta cos theta 4 pi squared. This sine theta will kill this sine theta. But don't forget that you now have what? T squared G M cos theta for what? 4 pi squared. And don't forget that we are looking for the what? The period of the pendulum, of conical pendulum. You now divide that by what? By G. You have T squared equal to what? M cos theta 4 pi squared over what? G. You now have what? T equal to what? Square root of N cos theta 4 pi squared over what? Over G. So this will give you what? The square root of 4 is what? Is 2. Square root of pi squared is pi. But L cos theta over what? Over G. This is the formula used to calculate the period. Equation 6. Period of revolution in the conical pendulum. 2 pi L cos theta over what? Over G. This L is what? Length of the swing. G is relative to gravity. Theta is what? Angular displacement. So the next thing now is what? We will now move into vertical circular motion. So you derive that what? The period of revolution for conical pendulum is 2 pi square root of L G cos theta. The L we have here is the length of the what? Of the string. That is the L. And the G is acceleration due to gravity. Theta is the angular difference you have here. And the next thing now we need is let's check the angular velocity of rotation. So the velocity, the angular velocity used by the what? By the pendulum conical bulb or pendulum to move along a circular path is called angular velocity. And if you remember, for the beginning of circular motion, we have proved that what? The period t is equal to what? 2 pi over what? Over angular velocity, omega. By making the omega is sort of the formula here, let me say from this, that period equal to what? 2 pi omega. If you remember from the beginning of circular what? Circular motion, where I said velocity is equal to the what? Perimeter of circle 2 pi r over what? Over t. And I take tt, I put it here, you now have what? 2 pi r over what? V. So where this is equal to 2 pi r, this V is what? Is omega r. This cancel each other. We now have what? T equal to the what? 2 pi over what? Over omega. That is where we what? I bring this formula from the period of circular motion equal to what? 2 pi over omega, and the omega is angular what? Velocity. Let us make this omega equal to the formula. We will have omega equal to what? 2 pi over what? Over t. I mean now, and again, recall that from here, the period of conical pendulum is what? T equal to what? 2 pi square root of L cos theta over G. That is the period. Let us substitute for period here. What we have, the angular velocity will be what? 2 pi over 2 pi into the what? L cos what? Cos theta over G. So the 2 pi will cancel 2 pi here. So it will now later give us what? The angular velocity will be what? 1 over what? Square root of L cos theta over what? Over G. Therefore, omega will be equal to the what? Square root of what? Of G over what? L cos theta, by taking the what? The reciprocal. That should be what? Equation 7. So the next thing now is what? Let us solve 2 or more questions under conical what? Pendulum, before we move to banking curve road and vertical motion.